Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an affiliate marketing strategy with Amazon detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what affiliate marketing is. Research and familiarize yourself with Amazon's affiliate program, known as Amazon Associates. Sign up for an Amazon Associates account if you haven't already. Once approved, log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. Explore the various product categories available on Amazon. Identify a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Conduct keyword research to find high-demand products within your chosen niche. Create a list of potential products to promote. Evaluate the commission rates associated with different product categories. Select products with good reviews and high engagement. Develop a content strategy to promote these products effectively. Consider various content formats, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Craft compelling and informative content that highlights the benefits of the chosen products. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Ensure your content provides real value to your audience. Utilize tools like SEO optimization to enhance visibility on search engines. Promote your content across various platforms, including social media and email newsletters. Track the performance of your affiliate links regularly. Analyze which products are generating the most traffic and sales. Adjust your strategy based on this performance data to maximize revenue. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging feedback. Continuously update your content to reflect new trends and products. Stay informed about the latest changes in the Amazon Associates program. Networking with other affiliate marketers can provide additional insights and strategies. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain transparency with your audience. Test different promotional strategies to find what works best for your niche and audience. Monitor your monthly earnings and learn from your successes and setbacks. Finally, be patient and persistent, as it may take time to build a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.